If you want to run AI models locally on your computer without relying completely on cloud services, two of the most popular tools right now are Ollama and LM Studio. Both let you run models like Llama, DeepSeek, Mistral, Gemma, and more directly on your PC, but they are built for different types of users. In this video, I'll compare Ollama and LM Studio based on setup, ease of use, features, performance, pros, cons, and which one is better depending on your needs. Let's get started. What is Ollama? Ollama is a lightweight tool designed mainly for running large language models locally through the command line and APIs. It's very popular among developers because it makes downloading and running AI models extremely simple. For example, with one command, you can install and run a model in seconds. Ollama focuses heavily on simplicity, developer tools, API integration, fast local deployment. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. What is LM Studio? LM Studio is a desktop application that lets you download and chat with AI models using a graphical interface. And instead of using commands, everything is visual and beginner friendly. LM Studio focuses more on easy model discovery, chat interfaces, GUI experience, local AI for non technical users. It also supports Windows, macOS, and Linux. User interface. Ollama mainly works in the terminal or command prompt. You type commands to download models, run models, manage models, start local APIs. For developers, this is very efficient, but for beginners, it can feel intimidating at first. LM Studio. LM Studio has a full graphical interface. You can browse models visually, download models with one click, open chat windows, adjust settings easily. This makes LM Studio much easier for casual users or beginners. So, in terms of user experience, LM Studio is clearly more beginner friendly. Features comparison. Ollama features. Some major Ollama features include local model hosting, REST API support, terminal based control, easy model switching, lightweight installation, good developer integrations. A lot of developers use Ollama with coding tools, automation apps, and AI workflows. It's especially useful if you want to connect local AI models to other software. LM Studio features. LM Studio includes visual chat interface, built-in model browser, GPU acceleration, local document chat, adjustable interface settings, offline AI chatting. LM Studio also supports local servers, so developers can still use APIs if needed, but overall its focus is more on usability than automation. Performance. In terms of raw AI performance, both are actually very similar because they can run many of the same models. The real difference comes from system resource usage and workflow efficiency. Ollama is usually lighter, faster to launch, more optimized for automation, better for background tasks. Because it has less graphical overhead, it can feel slightly more efficient on weaker systems. LM Studio. LM Studio uses more system resources because of the graphical interface. However, it offers easier model management, better visualization, simpler controls. So the extra resource usage is often worth it for beginners. Pros and cons. Ollama Pros. Very lightweight, great for developers, excellent API support, fast setup, works well with coding workflows. Ollama Cons. Command line focused, less beginner friendly, limited visual tools. LM Studio Pros. Easy to use, clean interface, great for beginners, simple model downloads, good chatting experience. LM Studio Cons. Heavier than Ollama, not as automation focused, some advanced workflows are less flexible. Which one should you choose? Choose Ollama if you are a developer, if you want API integrations, if you prefer terminal workflows, if you need lightweight local AI tools, if you plan to automate AI tasks. Choose LM Studio if you are a beginner, if you want a graphical interface, if you want mainly to chat with AI locally, if you do not want to use terminal commands, and if you want easy model management. Final verdict and conclusion. At the end of the comparison, both Ollama and LM Studio are excellent local AI tools. Ollama is better for developers and automation-focused users. LM Studio is better for beginners and people who want a simple desktop AI experience. Neither one is objectively better overall. It really depends on how you plan to use local AI. If you want maximum simplicity and visual controls, go with LM Studio. If you want flexibility, APIs, and developer-focused workflows, Ollama is probably the better choice. And that is it for today's comparison between Ollama and LM Studio. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new about AI comparisons, reviews, and tutorials. Share this video to your friend and let me know down below in the comments which one do you prefer, Ollama or LM Studio, and why. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison video.